Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change password in iCloud. Let's start. So first things first, you need to go to appleid.apple.com. This is pretty much where you manage everything that you have on your iCloud. Actually, they made this just for you to pretty much manage just in one place, like everything that you have on your Apple device. So in this case, if you're going to change your password, you just need to go to sign in and security and then just click on this one right here for you to update your password. Now you could also do the same using your iPhone and using other device. So let's just go to support.apple.com in case you want to learn more in terms of the step by step instructions. You could also come here. So there is an option wherein when you go to settings app, when you click on settings, then you click your name, and then it goes you to those page wherein you need to choose, say for example, name, phone number, edit. Now there's an option there that says password and security. So you just click on that one, and this is what you will see. So you would see an option there that says change password, and then once you um, tap on that, you just need to follow the process that goes after you click on that one. Say for example, if you have a new Apple device, you would pretty much ask the same to if you have like forgotten your password, it's the same thing that you have to process, except for the first part wherein it says forgot Apple ID or password. So that's how you're gonna change your password, guys. And if you want to learn more about iCloud, just subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.